Smart contracts, also known as distributed applications, have gained significant popularity recently. But what exactly are they, and what issues do they address? The term smart contract was first introduced by Nick Szabo in 1997, long before Bitcoin existed. Szabo, a computer scientist, legal expert, and cryptographer, described the concept in detail, but let's simplify it in essence. He proposed using a decentralized ledger to store contracts. Smart contracts function similarly to real-world contracts, but with one key difference: they exist entirely in digital form. In reality, a smart contract is a small program that runs on a blockchain. To better understand how they work, let's look at an example. You may have heard of Kickstarter, a popular crowdfunding platform. On Kickstarter, product creators set up a project, define a funding goal, and collect money from backers who support their idea. Kickstarter acts as an intermediary between creators and backers, meaning both parties must trust the platform to handle the funds properly. If the project reaches its funding goal, the creators expect Kickstarter to release the funds to them. Meanwhile, backers expect their money to either go to the project if it succeeds or be refunded if it fails. This entire process relies on trusting Kickstarter. However, smart contracts can remove the need for a third-party intermediary like Kickstarter. Imagine we create a smart contract for this purpose. The contract would hold the funds securely until the funding goal is met. Backers would send their money directly to the smart contract instead of a central authority. If the project meets its goal, the smart contract automatically transfers the funds to the creator. If it falls short, the money is instantly refunded to the backers. Pretty cool, right? Since smart contracts operate on a blockchain, the entire process is decentralized. With this approach, no single entity controls the funds. But why should we trust a smart contract? The answer lies in its core properties. Since smart contracts are stored on a blockchain, they are both immutable and decentralized. Immutability means that once a smart contract is deployed, it cannot be altered. No one can secretly change the rules of the contract after it is created. Decentralization ensures that the contract's execution is verified by multiple participants in the network. If someone tries to manipulate the contract, the network detects the invalid attempt and prevents it. This makes tampering with smart contracts extremely difficult. Their applications go far beyond crowdfunding. Banks could use them for issuing loans or automating payments, insurance companies could streamline claim processing, and delivery services could automate payment upon receipt, among many other possibilities. So where can you use smart contracts? Currently, several blockchains support them, but the most well-known is Ethereum. Ethereum was specifically built to handle smart contracts and uses a specialized programming language called Solidity, which has a JavaScript-like syntax. Bitcoin also supports smart contracts, though its functionality is much more limited compared to Ethereum. Now you have a clear understanding of what smart contracts are and the problems they solve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.